This is my first time. I have never been there. I didn't even know it was a real planet. And some planets that I don't know.
We are taking the project car on a 900-mile road trip. It should be fine. I mean, we built the car ourselves, so what could go wrong?
LSJ Fiero. Alright you guys, before we go any further, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification so that you get all of the notifications when we upload videos!
Today is the day. Today we are going over to Idaho to do our collab with Bro Builds. They're gonna need some help starting a Fiero that hasn't been started in over a decade. Looks like I might know how to do that. But best of all, they have another challenge with their daughters, and my daughter, Infinity, is gonna come and do a collab with them too. Say hi, Finn.
Hi! We packed 204 things.
How long did it take us to pack?
So long.
Was it really hard?
Yeah.
Do we have a lot of stuff in the car?
Yeah.
Can we fit anything more in the car?
No.
No, we cannot. We cannot. Because this is the Fiero packing adventure. I have my clothes bag. There's a battery under there for the car, extra coolant, compression tester. I've got Milwaukee drills. I've got extra batteries. I've got extra shoes for Finn, harmonic balancer, puller, steering lock remover. Back in the back is an electric guitar. Mommy gave me a note. Finn's got her iPad. She's got a small bed up there, water, food, clothes, you know, her car seat. I left room for the T-tops potentially behind this seat, and I have a cooler, tons of tools, a programming computer, all the camera gear, an air tire inflator, a full-size jack, a jack stand, lots and lots of water that can be for a car or humans. Okay, so anyway, we are taking the project car on a 900-mile road trip. It should be fine. I mean, we built the car ourselves, so what could go wrong? This is a reliable engine. I'm really good at doing wiring harnesses. Plus we have power steering, so it should be good. All right, see you guys on the journey.
Hello. So guys, this is our channel, the Fiero. Guess what? I'm going to Idaho and I'm gonna meet twin girls and make a slime video.
Hey.
And so guys, so this is our trip. We have to go to Idaho. And I'm excited because I'm so ready to fly.
Don't stop me now. Don't stop me, 'cause I'm having a good time. Right there, grab your map. It's our first stop. We're gonna get some food and gas, right? You still excited about going? You got a daddy-daughter date? Yeah. What are you getting here?
I'm gonna get what I always get.
All right, back in. We gotta go get gas. Then check all the fluids. Seems like the coolant is still very full. Let's check the oil. Yep, still full on oil. No leak? All right.
I am so excited. I got this little princess toy thing. I'm sorry for showing it. And it's gonna be the best time at Idaho. I don't know if I'm gonna make like 4 videos, but I'm gonna make videos.
Just filled up. Ready to go, guys.
I'm excited for that.
Okay, you want a cold snack? All right, let me look. You got a lemonade, remember?
Yeah, water.
All right.
Lemonade.
Lemonade. Okay, we better check our tire pressure though. Okay, this one feels good. What do you think, that one that's got a lot of pressure? All right, cool. Yeah. Has that one still got pressure? Oh, good. Nice. More of your rubbed in here because you got it all over your nose right now. All right, you need to rub your legs. I got it. Sunscreen. Where are you going? Did we put sunscreen on? All right. Are you ready for the weekend?
Yeah,
We can't leave because you're busy having a dance party?
What? We gotta get back on the road! Come on! Let's get back in the car!
Hello, so guys, this is my first time at Idaho. I have never been there. I didn't even know it was a real planet. And some planets I don't know. We were supposed to pack last night, but we didn't. And I even forgot my hat.
Oh no. We'll have to get you a hat. It'll be a trip hat. Alright?
Okay.
I love you. See you guys soon. Ah! We made it.
That's heavy.
You want to go on the viewpoint? Let's do it. Let's go. Oh, I know your legs are rubber and they don't work right now. Everyone on YouTube's gonna know how your legs are rubber. No, unrubberized. Hey, do we have the T-tops off? Yeah. You want to show people? Oh, no roof! We raised the roof and put it behind my seat. It's our second gas stop and we got 8.8 gallons and we went 281 miles. So even though we're doing a bunch of hills and going 75, 80 some places, we're getting 31 at least. Come on, let's get back in the car so we can get there before dark. It's been a long journey, but you're doing great. Oh shit. We're in Idaho. It's lost out. But we're doing it. Got another 45 minutes before we get to them and maybe enough sunlight. We pass through a time zone. Yeah. Not many left.
Was that 79?
This is an 88. They made them from 84 to 88.
Oh, did it?
Yeah. Do you want to go look at the sun over there? Let's go take a look. You can see what Idaho looks like. It's different looking. It's not Washington. Wow. That is majestic. All right, we're only 45 minutes from their house. Let's go. You want to put them in or out? In. Okay, all right, I'll put them back in. We should put the T-tops back in, she says. But the T-tops were out. Look. We traveled long distances with no roof. Excited?
Yeah!
Where are we?
Idaho!
We're in Idaho, and we're close. You are excited. All right, I need the glasses to drive, though.
Why?
Oh, well, because there's bright sunlight. If it gets in my eyes and I swerve out of control and then we don't make it, we crash in the fire. So we won't do that. See you guys on the flip side. After putting 500 miles behind us and the sun setting in front of us, I could hardly believe that we are arriving with the car in almost perfect functionality. One on the left over there. That one there with the light on? The Lion White House?
We got this open pedal. Awesome. And guys, I want to tell you that we have 200 subscribers.
we have 2,650 subscribers, but you know, 200 would be good too. How about 200 more?
Yeah.
We'll just get 200 more.
200 more subscribers.